Hi and hello. Today I gonna explain these codes for you, but first I want to talk about the main purpose. The main purpose is we want any number which is for second and try to separate the second day, hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. For this, for the first line, which is start with import, just important for we are going to take any information from users. This line means just the name of my class and my folder and this line. When I decide to start these codes, these codes start work from this line and this line work for that. And this, the 8 scanner input new. When input type anything from the board and when it's click the enter, the number going to describe input. And this line for when I describe input, now I'm describe its second because I want second from users. And this line for it's a direction for users, which is try to make it more easier to use. System out, print word like that, to type, write anything which is in the quotation mark. For this, when I click run, I see this, which is in the quotation mark. And this line just for my I want to look pretty good, and for this I give any empty blank. And now the codes repeat from this like this. For this, first I give a comment for me for try to remember what I wrote in this case. Now I try to define how many day I have got. For this, I describe day, which is second divide 86,400. And now I describe it int because double when you give any number which is not integer. Now I try to describe it any integer number. I try to change it. Now I want to see the result of how many day I have got from the second. For this I say which is the integer form of day t, and I say write days next to it. Now I want to define how many seconds I have from when I spread the days. How many seconds remain actually. And then I just put any empty block 2. Now I just repeat this code to others same as. Now I try to describe hours, which is second divide 2600, and now I try to change it integer. Now I try to write any integer numbers, which is the amount of hours, and I try to define how many seconds I have remain. And it's same with the minutes, and it's same with the seconds, and then I define milliseconds. Now I try to use this code and I wrote any specific numbers and then I click enter and I